paid for by the People's Republic of Chiba.
This is my Ibanez gem. Actually, it's not a gem. This is a hack job made by a crackpot. He was hard up for money, sold his guitar to my friend, and my friend gave it to me. This guitar is what I call my Chibanez gem. It has an Ibanez gem neck and the most awful body you've ever seen. And it's missing something. Like this hole in the body. This tone-sucking hole needs to be fixed. And I found the ultimate tone solution. The Chib Grip by Chibson. And they fit perfectly for any Ibanez gem that actually doesn't suck, unlike mine. After some finagling, I did get the Chib Grip to fit. With these tubes, don't worry, they're NOS. But your Chib Grip will fit perfectly in an Ibanez gem. Made of Chibson's proprietary secret formula they call tone foam, these may look like stress relievers or floating keychains, but they're actually tone improvers, conveniently shaped to be an exact fit for the tone-sucking Ibanez gem monkey grip. Now I know, Big Monkey Grip might tell you these holes do nothing to your tone, but listen for yourself. Here's before, and here's after. Before, and here's after. They come in 3 vibrant colors: perfect pink, gimme green, and yes yellow. They feel like a mixture of vintage Klon packing foam, crusty old peeps, and Josh Scott's bicycle seat. I mean, just look at this. Listen to how it brings out the haunting mids. These look and feel amazing, and they will completely transform the tone of your guitar for the better. For Easter this year, skip the candy. You don't want the peeps anyway. Do yourself a favor. Get a grip. The Chibson Chib Grip.